next evening, and, and Trin and his friends were sleeping at tomorrow. Oh, oh, and the night is still dark. It's still a day in the morning. Then, Trin and his friends were all woke up. Got up in the morning. Ready to all woke up in the morning, and everyone more excited at night to the feel for is up slate. A feel whistle, and everyone to this playing the morning. Good morning, boys and girls. Are you ready to going into the Brendam Docks? Sit at the top of my head. We do. Sit at Thomas. Thomas. As we're going to Brendam Docks to get a car. There's cranky salt. Oh, big. Then Thomas was still ready to go into Brendam Docks. Thomas was going in Brendam Docks and see what. Then Thomas was still going far away, going up the hill. Boss my buffer, said Thomas. I'm going to Brendam Docks. I'm very busy, he whispered Thomas. But Thomas was still far away. Then Thomas was late, and Thomas switched the points and into the tunnel. The snowplow, but Thomas was still annoyed. Then Thomas is too fast. Run faster. Quick. But Thomas is still fast. Oops, I'm going to take this way. It's in the Brendam Docks. But Thomas was still switch the points and more. But Thomas is still fast, and the Nafford station is still gone. But Thomas was still annoyed. But Thomas saw Stephanie. Hello, Stephanie. What's the matter, girl? Come back, you all, said Thomas. I'll better go after him. But Thomas is still so fast. He's too big hard and puffing to finish line to feel the winner. But Tom is too fast. But still very fast, huffing, puffing. The wheels are clogging itself. But Tom is over. And at last, at the finish line, is heavy to move to the. I don't know. Hey, he saw Big Mickey and Cranky. Hello, oh guys. He's phew. I'll just have finish line to my snowplow was all fixed, said Tom. Well done, said Big Mickey. You all very hard work to do. But Thomas was still saving Mickey. Then Thomas still didn't notice. And Cranky is on a couple of the mainland. Then Thomas saw a Cranky. Hello, Cranky, said Tom. I won't be impatient. But Tom must see. It needs. He poke out. Then Cranky, your hard work just the man. No, Thomas, I'm not real, like said Cranky. But Cranky was still hard, but yeah, huh? And cup of the Cranky. Then Tom was still stuck, and Cranky wave away to the country. Then Cranky was drop it and couple and splash into come out. Oh, well, that's a very important job, said Cranky. But Cranky was so Cranky was idea. But and there was trouble. Big Mickey still was stuck and here. Hello, oh Big Mickey. Hello, oh Topham Hat, said Big Mickey. You are merry gold. But Big Mickey was still over. Your reminds memorable of Big Mickey. But Big Mickey still cross. Still cross. And rush say, oh, said Big Mickey. Big Mickey still noise and rush the water, the deep blue sea. But Big Mickey still, and then there was trouble. Oh, the tracks were still bump and smashing to the lake. But my buffers, I'm stuck, Big Mickey. But Big Mickey said it, and the driver's still gone. Just then, Sister Salty arrived. Hello, Sister Salty. I want to be impatient. Your job is camping on steak. Get over him. Arr, said Salty. I want to be Mama. Arr, matey and pirate. A ship and a fire to these seas. Arr, said Salty. Arr, 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 arr. Salty was the diesel engines. What is even like flushed into enormous pea.